you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have an order that I placed from Banner Gems USA. Do you want to know what crystals I purchased this time? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So the other day I was scrolling through Instagram and this particular company, Banner Gems USA, popped up because they always do their lives. If you don't know, I've done another, I think at least one or two other unboxings of this company, and basically they're online on Instagram. So they'll go live and they'll show all of the products, which I absolutely love because an actual adult is holding the item. So you can kind of tell what, like what size it's going to be ahead of time. And then they show you all about it. Then they tell you the price, and the first person to claim that price wins, not wins because you got to pay for it, but the first person to claim that specific item gets that item. And at the end of the live, everything's tallied up. They send you a PayPal invoice. You have 24 hours to pay it, and then they ship it out. They also will send you a picture of everything, like all of your stuff, because sometimes it could be like a whole entire weekend, and at the end of the weekend, they ship everything. So at the end of the day, everything's in a basket for each person, and they actually send you a picture of the basket. So you know exactly, because sometimes things are going so fast, I might forget, like, what did I get already? What did that look like? You kind of forget sometimes. So I really like that they do send you a photo of everything so you know, and then once you receive it, you can match that up and make sure you did receive all of your items. So I really do like that. So let's go ahead and dive in. I did open it because they come so packaged, like, so nothing is damaged. This is how it came when I first opened it up. So I pre-took all of the bubble wrap and everything off to make it easier to show you guys now everything that I ordered. There's 10 different pieces in here, and I'm so excited to show you guys. So I'm gonna just go ahead and just start pulling things out. Some of these are for myself. Some of them are Christmas gifts. Some of them were just so low of a price that I couldn't even pass them up. So some are I just had to get, and I don't know where they're gonna go, if they go to me or to gifts, but they just had some really, really good pricing. So yeah, so the first one I'm gonna show you is this one right here. This one here was $14. It's just really, really pretty. I love ones that can actually just stand, so you get the height instead of just something just sitting. So once I saw this was standing and it was only $14, I'm like, come on, add that to my order, please. But you see all of the sparkle in there. Oh my gosh, these are just absolutely beautiful. So again, $14 for this guy, and I just love those colors. And then this one here was also $14. So this one was 14X, but this was a $14 as well. And down inside of that hole, it has all of that like sugar druzy is what they call it. It is just so sparkly and just so beautiful. And again, this one stands as well. So I really, really like that. And only $14. Look at how big that is in my hand. Like, I don't know of any other place that I can go or order and spend only $14 to get something of this nice quality and this big in size too. So that is really neat. They even had a few that were clearanced, and this one, like right here, was only, okay, guess how much do you think this one was? I mean, compared to size wise, see, it's even taller. It's not as wide, but it's taller. So you tell me, how much do you think this one was after I just showed you the other two were $14 each? $4. That is it. I was like, wait a minute. I couldn't type 4 fast enough. I'm like, it is only $4. Holy moly. Yes, please. Thank you. And look at all of that. It is just absolutely beautiful. The back looks like this. It's like a raw stone on the very, very back, but the sides are nice and shiny and just beautiful, but only $4. So that's another thing. Like, they do clearance items in there as well. So I'm like, when I saw $4, I was like, yes. And I looked underneath, it was actually $7 before. So it was $3 off, almost 50% off. Like, oh my goodness. And that is just crazy. $4. That was it. Let me show you the other little one that was clearance as well. This one here was $5. It's a little bit wider. It's a little bit shorter. And it does have the same thing on the back where it's like the raw of the stone there. And then the sides are nice and shiny. And this one again was $5 in the clearance bin. So So these right here together was only $9, and those would even make amazing gifts, stocking stuffers. So I had to grab them. Okay, so then the next least expensive would be this guy right here. This one was $10. I love that it just sits and it opens up like that, but look at how nice and shiny inside. It is just beautiful. So this one was $10. And then the rest of it is like this. Some is like a raw and some is soft as far as like the finish, but this is just so beautiful. I love how it just sits open and you see the whole inside. That is just beautiful. Okay, so now let's go with the next least expensive, which is going to be, there's this one here, which is $18. So inside has a different, it's not like the small little sugar druzy, but it is like big, nice little like geodes inside there. Oh my gosh, that is just beautiful. That is so pretty. And I like the colors because it's like this grayish brown kind of like color on both sides. Look at that. And it has like a little bit of blue to it. That is just so pretty. And it's just nice and tall. Like this is the tallest one, I do believe. So as far as like size comparison. So again, this one was $18. So then next up, this one was also $18. And I'm not sure which one of these I'm going to keep and which one I'm going to gift to my mom for Christmas. So hopefully she's not watching this. If so, surprise. But this is an amethyst. It is a heart shape. I love that it's on this little metal stand. This one here was $18 again. So $18. And it is a really good size as well. I mean, it's not super, super tiny, but I love that it comes on its own little stand so you can set it anywhere and see the true beauty of it, like pointed forward. I do have like a bigger one that it just sits down. So it's kind of like, you don't get to see its true beauty when you're just scanning the area because it's laying flat down, where this one is like shining straight at you. Like, look at me, how beautiful. So I love that it comes on this little stand. So $18. So then the next one was $22. It is a little bigger and it has a deeper purple, if you can see the difference there. So this one is a little larger. It's a little heavier as well. And this one's $22 and it also comes on the same metal stand. But look at how pretty. Oh my gosh. These are just gorgeous, you guys. I can't, that is just so pretty. Like I could have like ordered or put in so much more, but at the end, like I'm like kind of afraid like what my tally is gonna be. I'm like, I think I added quite a bit of things. So this one here was $26, and then we have one more left, which is the most expensive out of everything. So this is $26. You can see all down inside of that. It does have like a little opening here. Right there. Look inside, it's so pretty. And I love how it's like white, but you have like a little bit of like gray and a little bit of brown in there. And yeah, it's just nice and large just to sit there. So again, $26 for that one. So the last and final one to complete my order is right here. Look at how beautiful. This was $35. It does have a little opening. If you can see, there's a little opening right there. So you can see through there. There's a hole, and then the rest of it is just nice and opened. And you can just set this, you know, whichever way you would like, but it's like a little cave. I think that is just super, super beautiful. Look at that. And again, this one was $35. So $35 all the way down to $4 is all of these different pricing. So that's why I wanted to show you guys, because gift giving is coming up, or if maybe you get some money or gift cards for Christmas and you want to spoil yourself, definitely if you want to follow them, I will link their Instagram down below. They have their sales all the time. Whenever you want to pop on, you can purchase anything from any of their sales at any given time. I just have to limit myself because I will go gun-ho crazy, because some of them are so pretty, and it's just like you want to just say yes, 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 but my pocket is saying no, no, no. So again, I do this every now and then, and I'll just place an order normally around Christmas time because of gift giving. And again, I have my eye on a few of these for myself, and the rest of them will go to friends and family for gifts for Christmas this year. So I'm extremely happy about everything that's in here. Now for me just to figure out what I want to keep versus what I'm going to give as gifts. That's going to be the hard part. But I am absolutely in love with these. I cannot believe $4 and $5 for these 2 clearance ones. And then all these other ones are just really they're beautiful. I love them. So again, I will link their Instagram down below if you would like to check them out. But comment down below and let me know, what do you think of my crystal haul? Are these just so me? Like, do you think these are great pricing? Let me know what you think down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.